Hello there. What did you say? You want to ride down to Morocco this afternoon? Well, have we got the weapon for you? And welcome to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Just look at this stunning bit of kit. This is the 2022 KTM Super Adventurer R, fully loaded. And like I say, if you've got a big trip planned, is this a weapon to do it on or what? So let's get straight into this fantastic bit of kit. But before we do, hold your horses. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and grab that bell for notifications. Helps the channel grow. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Fantastic. Great work, guys. Great work. So, like I say, a 2022 KTM Super Adventurer R, fully loaded. The bike has done 2,195 miles from new. It's a one-owner machine and it's stunning. I completely love this bike. Starting at the back, we've got the full KTM Touratech panniers and top box to accommodate all that luggage for going across anywhere. Rear tyres new. Only cost the old one just didn't, you know, just wasn't squared off nicely. It was you know, just a bit ragged, so we've put a new one on. We've got the Pipeworks exhaust. I've got the original exhaust as well. So we've got the Pipeworks exhaust fitted there, and like I say, we've got the original exhaust in stock to be supplied with the vehicle. We've got the engine crash bars. It's pretty much stock, which, don't get me wrong, is no shrinking violet, this bike. It's a absolute, I think the colour scheme, the presence, everything about it is just awesome. Certainly one of my favourites in recent times. But like I say, 2,195 miles from new. It's 2022. It's the R, which means it's got everything on it. And like I say, if you want to go for a ride this afternoon down across continents, this certainly has to be a weapon to do it on. I love the blue and the orange and the white. I think it looks really nice and fresh. But yeah, let's just have a quick, let's light this dashboard, because the last dashboard has to be one of the, you know, I've got to remember how to do it yet. There we go, ready to race. Absolutely awesome dashboard. Let's just have a start up. The information, wow. So like I say, how good does that sound? But one of the more impressive things with this bike is the dashboard. I mean, I'm not going to go through it all now, but the amount of information it gives you is just unbelievable. And when you click on the bit that you're interested in, it actually highlights it on a picture of the bike. I just think that is really clever. So you go down to oil, and just love all that. I love all that. So like 2,195 miles from new. You know, it just gives you so much information, it is ridiculous. So, you know, it's what a bit of kit. Let me just kill this. Oh, that's not me. I can't have to turn it off. There we go. So, fully activated, switched down, locked up. But yeah, what a bit of kit, folks. Still learning about that dashboard. Obviously it doesn't need an MOT at time of filming. It's 2022, it's too new for that. It will go through the workshop for a full check over and come with a warranty myself, although again at time of filming KTM's warranty supersedes mine. We can offer finance on this vehicle. We can offer nationwide or international delivery. If you're in Morocco, for instance, I'll even ride the blooming thing over for you. How's that sound? I'd take great pleasure in it. I'd love to ride this to somewhere like that. Really would. Absolutely rock off that. In fact, the more I think about it, I'm talking myself into going this afternoon. How nice would that be? Anyway, if you've got any questions on this bike or any of our others, don't hesitate, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and have a look at the bike, you can't miss it in the showroom, it sticks out above everything else. More than welcome, but as always, just give me a call before you come. If you're travelling, certainly if you're travelling, give us a call before you come down to look at anything specific, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. But that is a lovely clean 2022 KTM 1290 Super Adventurer R with all the luggage. Yeah, that's awesome, absolutely awesome bit of kit. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to sign off. Before you go, don't forget, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. You guys know what to do. You're all civilised, educated folks out there. I really appreciate the support and the viewings. Let's keep it up. I'm so close to 1,000 subs. Hopefully we'll get there before the end of May. And I hope to see you all soon. If you're passing by Doncaster, the kettle's always on. Come and say hello. Have a good day, folks. Cheers.